Hello, welcome back to the tvONE Training Academy studio. In this short video we're going to be unboxing the Active Optical Cable, the AOC-661. This cable is a Magenta cable, so it comes with guaranteed reliability and performance. It's capable of in HDMI 2.0, 444 HDR performance. Range goes from 10 to 100 meters, so we have a bunch of different versions available to meet the length exactly you need. Now you may be asking why active optical cable, why not stick with a standard extender set? Well, first of all, this gives you the full HDMI 2.0 performance. The second thing is that it's really super easy to run as well. Now that's the cable out of its box. This it hasn't got a manual because effectively it works as a cable, although it's within our extension family. Now it comes packaged on a reel, so let's just get this off, and I will be plugging one of these in and showing the performance in a future video. And now the reel is really important. A lot of cables like this come in a bag and it becomes the installer's nightmare to install this, whereas this, we can put this on a cabling device, and you can get trolleys. I've even seen it done with broom handles, and basically you pull out the cable as you need it, so it makes cabling in a dream. The other thing about this cable, it is fiber in the middle, but it is very robust, so you can twist it. In our tests, our acceptance test to get the products through tests, they actually tied it in a knot and ran it to really hot temperatures as well. It's a fiber inside with a copper element as well, which is used for powering the device. So the power comes from the input end. The cable has an input and display end, so source and display end. Obviously it's important to get those the right way around. Now, as well as being robust, coming on a reel, which are key advantages, the other advantage, this uses low power. I won't go into the detailed specifications of this, because you can find those on our website, www.tvone.com. Look for the spec sheets for these products, but this means you can use it with low power devices. An example would be CorioMaster. CorioMaster is a very green video processor for video walls, multi-windowing, but it's green because it's low power. A lot of cables wouldn't be able to cope with that, whereas this can. So you can use this safely with your HDMI outputs on your CorioMaster. Just an example. We will be using this in a future video. It comes in different lengths, from 10 out to 100 meters. This particular reel, you can get between 10 and 40 meters on. Then we go to a bigger reel. It also comes in Plenum and non-Plenum version. So this cable is non-Plenum. We would use Plenum typically if we're putting the cable into enclosed spaces, and it's a low smoke cable. So if there's a fire in the building, it's a low smoke cable. If you want to find more about that, look on our website. So there you go. This is a great new little product to the Magenta and tvONE range. If you want to find out more, look at our website, which is www.tvone.com, and there's a ton of information there for you. Thanks for watching now. Bye-bye.